Hello YouTube, this is Dhruva Mundodi and welcome to my channel Mundodi Vlog. So friends, in today's video, I want to show you guys how to clean the engine bay of a modern day car. In my previous videos, I have given you some demos on how to clean the engine bay of old vehicles like Jeep, Maruti 800. Also, I have shown you guys how to clean the engine bay of bikes as well. But those were all actually very easy to clean because there was not much electronics involved in those engines. But nowadays, with the advance in technology, modern day engines have become smarter and smarter with the involvement of sensors. But there is a drawback to this. These sensors are very much prone to damages by external factors like water, moisture and dust. So if that is the case, how can we clean the engine? I actually wanted to shoot this video in the outdoors, but due to ongoing monsoon season in my area, I am unable to do so. I hope my voice clarity and the lighting is sufficient. So we all know that there are so many professional detailers out there in the market who are specialized in cleaning the engine bay of a car. They use so many products like foam, steam guns and different kinds of chemicals which can actually dissolve the dirt which is sticked on the engine. If everything is done right, your engine will be sparkling like brand new. But if you end up in a wrong place, if the detailer is not so professional, there might be some risk in it. For example, whatever the chemical what he uses, it may seep inside the ports of the sensors and these sensors may start malfunctioning. Apart from this risk, there is lots of time and money involved in getting our car's engine bay cleaned through a professional detailer. But that doesn't stop us from cleaning our engine bay. Every car enthusiast wants his car to be clean, but a real car enthusiast wants his car along with the engine bay to be clean. So in today's video, I want to give you a small demo on how to clean the engine bay of a car safely at our home. So let me show you the products what you need to clean our engine bay. So first of all, you need a blower. It's not your normal hair dryer kind of a blower. It's a professional blower. So it's manufactured by Stock and the name of this model is Positron. I'll read out the technical specifications for you. It's a 600 watt, 16,000 RPM motor. So it gives a very good delivery of air. And the second product what we need is a microfiber cloth. That's it. We just need two products to clean our engine bay at home. So I'll just open the bonnet and I'll show you how to clean it. So this is the close-up view of my engine. You can already see there's lots of dust accumulated. I'll just show you. See? I'll show you the bonnet and the heat shield. So this is the condition of the heat shield right now. See? There's lots of dust accumulated. Especially the dust will be accumulated in the corners and in the beading areas like this. See? And you can see the battery box, even it's very dusty, and even this area above the radiator is also dusty. So without wasting any time, let's begin the cleaning process now. I'm about to begin the cleaning process now. Before beginning the cleaning process, I want to give you guys a word of caution. Please be very careful, maintain a safe distance of at least 5 centimeters so that your blower doesn't damage any of the sensitive parts of the car. So in the first step, I have used a blower to blow off all the loose dust which was accumulated on the engine. In the second step, I am using a microfiber cloth to clean up all the rest over dust which is accumulated on the engine. So let me begin my cleaning process now. But please be very careful, be very cautious. Do not put your hands near any of the sensor or wiring areas. Our motto is to clean the engine, not to spoil it. So you can already see the difference. try to concentrate on each and every part. Be very careful, do not damage any of the part. So in hard to reach areas like this, you can wrap your fingers with this microfiber cloth like this and then rub like this. If you want to clean this area, all you can do is you can wrap your finger with this microfiber cloth like this and insert it like this. Concentrate on this area as well. Here there is heat insulation, which is made out of a material something similar to this. So that area is more prone to sticking of dust. So after we finish rubbing off with the microfiber cloth, once again we'll blow some air over the engine bay so that if there is any dust left, it will be blown off. So we are done with the cleaning process. I'll show you the outcome. The difference is easily noticeable. You can already see the engine bay is very clean now. You don't find any dust or dirt accumulated anywhere. I'll show you the bonnet and the heat shield. Even it's pretty clean, as close as a professional detailer's cleaning. So my dear friends, isn't it so easy to clean the engine bay? Yes, it's very easy to clean the engine bay. All you need is some simple tools and a bit of time. So that's it for today guys. I hope you have found my video to be informative and interesting. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel Mundodi Vlogs for more such informative and interesting videos in the future. Thank you guys.